Fire truck?
This is a fire truck?
Yeah, this was a fire truck.
Wow.
This one didn't carry the water. This was the pump. So when they reached through the fire, look at this. All the hose and the fittings were carried inside this section. That back piece you're looking at is the pump. The two, excuse your head here, I don't want to hit you. So these two will be the pistons. Right? When they got through the fire, was suction hose on the water. Another hose right here. Another hose from right here, so. And that was the hose directed on the fire. And you'd have a crew of maybe 6 or 8 firefighters.
Oh.
So the equal number on either side. And they pump it.
Oh, build up the pressure.
Build up the pressure. Put out the fire.
That thing at Tom and Jerry cartoon there, it's a 2 months there.
Yeah.
There you go.
There you go again.
Yes.
So how old are these things?
Alright, this particular one came to Jamaica from the late 1900s. No, late 1800s to the early 1900s. Right? These go beyond that time. So this was used during the time when we were colonized. So the colonial period ended 1838. So this would be here from like about 1800s coming down. And even after 1838, we had these being used in Jamaica. Because the vehicle with engine power never come to Jamaica till the late 1800s. The Ford Model T was similar to this, very much similar. The wheels were basically the same, but it had a motor at the front that you'd have to wind up. And once you get an engine about the size of a lawnmower or a weed whacker engine, a little bit bigger than that. And that would power the vehicle.
Nice.
Yeah. And that was classified as the first car.
Yeah.
Yeah, I remember something like that.
Ford Model T that came to Jamaica.
Yo, let's can't tell me nothing.
Look how every far the man foot them. Our Manchester reach in front of man foot them. What they say with the race? I threw up you see that, brother.
But they must say, I need your foot weak. Are you Tarso? Tarso?
Yeah, but that's what them say. Them say, are your Tarso supposed to over the line, not your foot?
Then to our far man foot, then Tarso must reach before him.
Look here, all the brother did that for you. I got some.
Where's that?
No, sir, if I did so, if you go on, you would win. Jamaica now win, sir. Me I tell you, man.
Why?
Jamaica no bow. We now have a knock your man back here, fine.
Brother, no bow, brother. I did. It's just a little wacky bit, brother.
Yo, I don't like this. I don't like this Jamaica, brother. Yeah, you think of that? You think of that? Me even like how they deal with the queen.
That's some serious thing when I talk about. Me never be like how them deal with the queen. Look on all the 100 people. That never make no queen. Because we start at least never in it.
I just feel like I'm frustrated, fishing around. So nobody about this guy.
Yo, me hear somebody acting a bad man. I'll can't go there to them asleep and not even fun. No, I ain't see nobody in the brother.
I don't even know how that country are host Olympics. And them don't even have some of the basic things for the athletes.
And here so them face it up.
If?
Brother, that's how it is. Because we know them face it than we. I try far away from the country and we don't want them fling me out.
Brother, as you talk about flings up, bad man, you see you, that's the thing, hombre. And when I tell me, man, you know, when I grew up as special, you know, my friend, sometimes you know, so I
want to tell you, to go to the Bex, man, Bex, and I want to lift down one of them, make you fling it so far. Remember me tell you, yeah?
Boy, nobody can tell me nothing. Something that going over there, so we are mash up the athletes, them men. The man, them never qualify for the 4x1.
And I just 6 seconds, the man, them short of qualifying, you know. Sean was start.
6 seconds. 6 seconds, brother. You can imagine that. A fight with you.
Moon say a fight, see. Because man, them fumble up the button thing for real charge. Even though I'm not doing nothing with my fumble and I'm button and them thing there. You don't know anything come down.
Brother, me say, what me say? From both them dominate Olympic and them things they want to get back at the brother. And that's why them are do this.
Me agree with you.
Oh.
Me agree with you.
But tell me nothing.
And you see that boy there talk about, boy, my fastest man in the world. I highest man in the world, brother. Man, they're about 15 in the world, brother. Man, have 14 for chop down, a donkey lens in get, brother.
But hold on, you know, today 200 for you. And I even say I go win.
Win what?
I'm tell you something. That boy they can't win that. Anyhow, we win that because we nyam that jam. You know what?
Brother, you know what I'm saying? Brother said that, because they can never digest now, brother. You know, I'm just go and wait and watch what I'm going to do.
Me agree with you too. Because you see, anytime you mess with Jamaicans, remember, retribution always reach you.
I mean, I'm got a life of you.
Who tell you?
But watch your style, watch your style. I really never run now, you know. Watch it.
So,
Alright, so these pictures now are pictures of old Spanish Town. For example, this one is just 2 blocks away from us. It was one of the first recording studios in Spanish Town. It's now used as a bar downstairs, residents upstairs.
Okay.
This one is you standing right on this property, looking at the old courthouse. That's the courthouse across the road from us. Yeah. And this one is a similar shot, but this one now, you're standing at the gate of this property, looking down on King Street.
Oh, yeah.
So it's called King Street because it led you from the town to the king's house.
So, hold on, question. Basically, I said, if I come outside now, see the same road.
Same road. Same buildings, a little bit older, but the same, very same buildings. That building to my right, behind the gentleman there, looks just the same. One of Jamaica's most renowned organists used to live in that building, Mr. Beckford, Trevor Beckford. He died a couple months ago.
We can take a picture?
Sure, go ahead. Alright. If you notice the cars,
Vintage.
them cars go way back. Because right here, this car is a Ford Cortina, the hatchback version. If you look down here now on this picture, you get a better look now at the sedan. Same Ford Cortina. Yeah? And if you can look good now on this one, you see that was parked in front, it was a Ford Escort.
Okay.
All of these cars now, if anybody have these now, they are vintage. If you look in the corner of this one now, this is the Morris Oxford.
Okay, nice.
And this is this is a picture of Wellington Street. Another very prominent street in Spanish Town. Because the street names, you know, most of the street names in Spanish Town were names of prominent men from England. So you have Ellis Street, Wellington Street, Cumberland Road, Cumberland, England. That's where we got its name.